Night. Your very expensive lunches.
But we couldn't figure out how to get Zach to come over.
Okay, so I must have lost all of the footage from installing the kitchen. Kids gave us a hand, but here's us installing the latches that Peter wanted, which actually turned out really good. We went with the kitchen from Ikea and we got the benchtop from Bunnings.
So pretty.
Are they worth the $60 a handle?
Yes.
$60 a handle. No screws.
What have you got?
Our sink.
It's a bit scary. Because if we stuff this up, then...
Are you happy with that? Where it is?
Yeah. Are you?
As long as you're happy, I'm happy.
It's really nerve-wracking moment. What are you doing?
Making sure.
Should you open the cupboard in case you drill into something? Yeah.
We cut the hole. Peter missed it.
Dude.
Take 5 million.
Ooh, baby. Oh, beautiful.
We then started working on the other wall on the other side of the kitchen so we can put the shelf in. This shelf would be for all of our perishable items that we can stack up just above the kitchen for easy access. Are you happy with that? Sweet as. Sturdy. Just routing the edges of the shelves to give it a nicer finish. Really happy with the end result with the kitchen, the bench top, the sink, and then the shelf. Thanks heaps to Zach for pretty much doing everything as per normal. Alright, so we're going the oil on the bus today. About 5,000 kilometers since it was done last. Got a little helper. What are you doing, Levi? Alright, so we've got an 8-ton bottle jack, and we've got two 2-ton stands. So given only the front of the bus is up, that'll be plenty to support the weight. We've got the sump plug there. So it takes about 10 litres of oil. So we've got 10 litres of 1550. We've got a new oil filter. We'll do the air filter, and if we get time, we'll do the fuel filter as well. Alright, so before we drain the stump, we'll just crack the cap. And we'll just pop a rag in there, just so nothing goes in while we're filling it up. Sweet. Alright, so we're just checking what size socket it is.
That one.
What size is it?
Size, it's... Wait, what is the size? 14?
14, yeah, sweet. So it goes on there now.
Yep.
That's it. Sweet. Look at him go. Levi's going to drain the oil. I'm a little mechanic.
Can't even get my hand in there.
So I can move it to there. Yeah. How about if I put it like that? Is that all good?
Yeah, that's good.
That's all good. So remember, try and hold the nut if you can. If you drop it, it's alright, but if you can try and hold it.
Like, keep it in my hand.
Yeah, keep it in your hand. And it's going to spurt out, okay? Alright, it's getting close. You'll start to feel a bit of pressure. Yeah. So when it starts coming out, yeah, hold and move. That's it, perfect.
Okay. I got some on my hand.
That's alright, it's all good. So drop it on here. Drop it on the wood, on the cardboard. Yep, come back a bit. And just take that glove off. Alright, so this is the air filter box. Alright, let's compare the two. The old one actually doesn't look too bad, but the new one definitely looks cleaner. So we'll change them out.
Now it's time to swirl for your oil filter.
So it's a bit of a shit position. It's not too tight, it's good. I've got that bucket underneath, so it should catch most of it. Alright, so just chucked a bit of oil on the filter. Let's get over this side. Alright, so I've chucked the date and the kilometers on, just so we know what the next 5,000 is. So it's gone hand tight. I'll just go one. I'll just go one rotation. What do you reckon, Levi? I reckon I'm gonna spill it. We're not gonna spill it.
I reckon you'll spill maybe not much.
Oh, that. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We really appreciate it.
I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out again. My future needed clarity.